Debbie's Mindless Happy Place. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video if you enjoy the content. Let's get on to the video. Now I'm going to do my different vases that I'm going to put flowers in. I use these a lot for different seasons. I just change out the flowers that are inside. I have these two. I have my wine bottle ones with my rope one in the middle. I have my little canister and my other little canister. I have these flowers, pink, yellow, green, and purple. And I'm just gonna kind of like keep on rotating and sporadically putting them in. Alright, now that I have my flowers all in the vases, I'm just going to like make sure that they're arranged the way I want them. I like how those turned out. They just kind of plopped in, so I like those. Let's see if I need to prop these up any. Get them out here. One's cute. This one's cute. I like that. Cute. And cute. So I will set those around to make the place bright and colorful. Next, we're going to take my vases that are wrapped in my rope and my burlap little decor, and we're going to put these little lilies in there that I got from the Dollar Tree. I got that color and I got that color, so we'll do one of each and we'll just put them in there. I liked these big colorful lilies that I found at the Dollar Tree, and so we'll just stick them in there to decorate my vases. There's one. Oh, I like that. And there is two. So I like both of those. I like both of them. I don't like the arrangement on that one, but I do like I like both of them. Those lilies really fill up the vases, so I really like that. So super easy. All right, I'm going to show you a few of my easy breezy kind of decor that I got, mostly from Amazon. So I'll tell you if I didn't get it from Amazon, but remember these? I used them for my Valentine's, and now I'm going to flip them over, and I have my peeps on the back, and I'm going to use them for Easter. And so easy breezy from Amazon. I have 2 of them. And then I got these 4 from Amazon. Somebody loves you. Some bunny loves you. Easter blessings. Egg hunt. And peep peep, which will go on some of my tiered trays. Next I have this little ceramic container, which says bunny kisses. Super cute for a tiered tray. This ceramic dish says jelly beans for a tiered tray. And this ceramic container says carrots, 25 cents for a tiered tray. Now I have a set of 6 little cups, ceramic cups that I got. This one says hello spring. This one says he is risen. This one says happy Easter. This one has a little bunny on it. This one says April showers. And this one says May flowers. And these will all go on tiered trays. Next, I have some beaded ropes. This one I got from the Dollar Tree for 25 cents. So it has a little rabbit at the end. Pretty. Go on a tiered tray. This one I got at the Dollar Tree. It'll go on a tiered tray. And it has a little carrot at the end. Go on a tiered tray. This one I got at the Dollar Tree. It has a chick at the end, and it will go on tiered tray. This one I got from Amazon, and it has a carrot on the end. It will go on a tiered tray. And then I got 2 crosses. This cross for a tiered tray. And this cross for a tiered tray. Then I got these 3 little bunnies from Amazon. And they will go on a tiered tray. And this one kind of has plaid. This one has polka dots. And that one kind of just has a bunny sitting backwards. So I like all 3 of those. I'll put them on tiered trays. And that's all that. So now I'm going to show you just a couple of little things that I got at the Dollar Tree that I paid more than $1.25 for. So this right here is a pillow peep, and I paid $5 for it. I got a blue one and a pink one. I love peeps. Then I found these, which are lights, and they are peeps, and they were $5. And then I found this tiered tray, and it was $5 at the Dollar Tree. And then you clip it. Then you clip them, and then it stays up. It's a little tiered tray. I like that. It's got little bunny ears. So that's cute. And then I got 2 sets of these, and they're kind of like tiered tray light peeps. But as you can see, there's a yellow one, a blue one, and a pink one. And I got 2 sets. That is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next video.